Platform engineering is a tough job. And one of our core missions at Okteto is making it easy for platform engineers to just go about their day-to-day lives. And that is why we created the Unified Management Interface, which serves as a centralized hub for administration, offering visibility, trust, and control to platform engineers over the Okteto platform. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you what all it has to offer. The first section in the admin panel is a general section where you get a complete overview of what version you're on and how many users, nodes, namespaces, and previews you have running. The second section is the users section where you get to see details about all the developers who are using the platform. You can easily manage developer permissions by promoting them to an admin or user status, and you can also easily remove developers who are no longer part of your organization. In the nodes tab, you get an overview of all the nodes which are powering your Kubernetes cluster which is running Okteto. You get to see the CPU and memory utilization as well as how many pods are running. The namespaces section gives you a list of all the namespaces that have been created by any developers in your organization. As an administrator, you can manually awake any namespace which currently might be sleeping, or you can also set a namespace to always be awake. You can also view a namespace and see what developers have deployed there. This is very useful in case you want access to the namespace of a developer who might have gone on vacation. Just like the namespaces section, the previews section gives you details about all the preview environments that have been running. Here too, you can wake up a sleeping environment or set an environment to always be on awake. In the admin variable section, you can set up variables which would be available to every developer as part of their dev environments. This is super useful in providing access to resources by different cloud providers in your dev environments for developers without manually configuring an account for each developer and training them on how to use a particular cloud provider. The admin access tokens section lets you create tokens which can be used to interact with the Okteto API. The catalog section lets you configure catalog entries. We have a separate video on this if you want to check that out. And finally, in the registry credentials section, you can add the credentials for any private container registry you want your images to be pulled or pushed from. This is super useful for organizations looking for security and compliance, since you have full control over what registry your images are being pushed and pulled from. And this was a quick overview of all the different features you get as an admin of the Okteto platform. You can view information related to your developers, clusters, manage secrets at a cluster level, add credentials, and other things. The goal with this is to make your life as a platform engineer super simple, giving you all the information you need in one single place. So what are you waiting for? Experience the power of unified administration by signing up for the platform today at okteto.com.